0.25, right? That's where we came up. That's that here. That's my h in this equation. Do you agree? Okay, so the area of this one, yep, yeah. One-fourth divided by 2, I'm just doing this whole fraction right here, is the same thing as 1/4 times 2, which would be 1/2, right? Y'all with me? Do 0.25 divided by 2 on your calculator.
1/4 divided.
Stacy. I'm sitting here like, what is wrong with y'all? Why don't you? Okay, yeah. Golly gee. Yeah. Okay. Y'all okay? If I could keep my crap straight over here.
So it's not 1/4 divided.
It is 1/4 divided by 2, but you get 1/8 when you do that. You change it to multiply, and then you have to flip the second one and multiply. So it's times a half, not divided by 2. Right? You see what I'm saying? Yes. All right, so the area of this one. So I've got h over 2 is going to be 1/8 times, now I need base 1 plus base 2. Base 1, base 2. Yes? Well, I'm going to show you how to condense it a little bit.
Base 1. Is it not just 1/4? Oh, wait, no. It'd be 1.
For base 1, yes.
Yeah. Oh, you already did.
Are you confused still? Or is it, oh, okay.
I was trying to figure out what you already did.
Now for the area of trapezoid 2, I'm still multiplying by the same 1/8, right? So I'm just going to keep in here. I'm going to keep going here and say plus. Now what's the base of the second? So I've already gotten this one. What's the base of this one? The first base. It does it again. It shares that, right? So 1.5625 plus 2.25. Yes. And then, do you see, you're starting to see the pattern? Plus, the next trapezoid goes from here to here, so it's going to be 2.25 plus 3.0625. And then that very last trapezoid is going to be 3.0625 plus 4. Yes, yes. So when you do trap rule, you do h over 2 times, you take the first endpoint once, but then you can just say 2 times each of the interiors with one of the outsides. Okay, so in other words, if I had this in a table setting kind of thing, and I had 1.25, I think trapezoid rule is much easier with table than it is with the graph because it's easier to see if you understand. Oh, I got these mixed up. No. Are you kidding me? What math movie do you think we should watch? H over 2. And then I take each one. I'll start with the very first. It goes in once, and then each of these goes twice. And I add it together. We'll practice with this more tomorrow. If you put this equation in y1 in your calculator, this x squared, and you run that trap program that I just put on there, it should also give you whatever you get whenever you plug all of this in. A equals So that's your lower bound. We went from what? 1 to 2? Program. A is your lower bound. A and B. I couldn't do a lowercase a on there. N, it tells you, we did 4. That's your number of intervals. That's your value, yeah.